Hello guys, I hope you're doing well and making profitable trades. Today is February 11th, 2025. I'm going to do a weekly analysis for you, where I will discuss both possible scenarios buying or selling on major Forex pairs such as EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDCHF, as well as Bitcoin. Alright, I will try to provide market analyses at the beginning of each trading week, as long as the conditions are favorable and there are good trading opportunities. This way, you can benefit from them and share them with your friends. As you know, last week we experienced significant price fluctuations due to economic measures taken by Donald Trump, the U.S. president, imposing tariffs on goods from China, Canada, and Mexico. Let's start with EURUSD. As we can see in the weekly and daily time frames, the overall trend is bearish. If we consider the price movement within a descending channel, which is marked with a thin red line in the chart, we notice that after hitting the bottom of the channel and moving upwards, the price broke the downtrend line and reached a supply zone in the daily time frame, leading to another bearish move. Then, after touching the daily order block, the price bounced back up now. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we can see that a change of character chalk has occurred, which indicates a potential trend reversal. If we interpret the bullish leg in the 4-hour time frame, which formed after reacting to the daily order block, as a sign of an uptrend, and consider its retracement towards an order block in the 4-hour and 1-hour time frames as a correction, then there is a possibility of further bullish movement and even a potential trend reversal to the upside. Bearish scenario, however, we should not ignore the fact that the higher time frames weekly and daily are still bearish, and this recent upward move might only be a liquidity grab or an accumulation of energy before continuing the downtrend. If the green line marked on the chart is broken to the downside and we get a confirmed breakout in the 4-hour time frame or higher, then we should shift our focus to bearish setups. By the way, I took some trades on EURUSD last week, and I will soon upload the video for you. Let's move on to GBPUSD. We can see that the price action is quite similar to EURUSD. In the daily time frame, after bouncing from a demand zone, the price moved upward. Then it hit a bearish supply zone order block in the 4-hour time frame and started moving downward again. For now, the bearish structure is still intact unless the price reaches the green zone at the bottom, where we can reassess the potential for a bullish move. If the price continues upward from here, we will wait for a break and confirmation above the red zone before considering buy opportunities. If the price breaks below the green support zone, we will shift our focus to bearish scenarios. USDCHF analysis. In the 4-hour time frame, after hitting a resistance zone, the price dropped significantly. Following this decline, it retraced more than 50% of the Fibonacci level. If you have a bearish bias, according to Smart Money Concepts SMC, the price has returned to a discounted area, making it an ideal selling opportunity. If you're a high-risk trader, you can consider entering a sell position around the current price level based on proper risk management and your trading strategy. However, if you have a low risk tolerance, it's better to wait for the price to return to the red zone marked on the chart. After getting the necessary confirmations, you can enter a sell trade with a better risk-reward ratio bullish scenario. If the price breaks above the red resistance zone with strong momentum and confirms a breakout in the daily time frame, we should shift our focus to buy opportunities. In that case, I will update the analysis for potential long positions. Bitcoin analysis. As you can see, the overall trend in the higher and daily time frames is bullish. After a sharp bullish rally from $70,000 to $110,000, Bitcoin has been ranging between $88,000 and $109,000 for about 2 months for our time frame analysis. The price broke above a structure, formed a higher high at $109,000, and then pulled back. After touching the trend line, it rebounded to $102,000 before retracing again in a compressed move. Currently, a flip setup is forming, which is an important concept in smart money trading. I will discuss this setup in detail in future educational sessions. Bullish scenario. If the price respects this zone, there is potential for an upward move toward $105,000, which is marked in red on the chart. Bearish scenario. If the price fails to push higher and breaks below $89,500 in both 4-hour and daily timeframes, we should look for sell opportunities as there is a lot of liquidity below the ascending trend line.